Grapes will explode if you put them in the microwave. Scientists have explained that microwaves work by using microwave radiation to generate heat. If you heat nothing in the microwave, or in this case, a very small grape that doesn't absorb enough power, the electromagnetic waves have nothing to work on and become concentrated. The grape itself then acts like an antenna and conducts the electricity in the microwave, causing small plasma fireballs. Be guided. For more episodes of Fun Facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.